Hey everybody, it's Brian here with SoCo Customs again. We're going to be doing an unboxing of some CREE lights. We've been getting a lot of questions about lighting for off-road applications, and so here they are. Alright, so I got everything already sliced open. I didn't want to do that on camera because it would just be my luck to slice myself open and embarrass myself like that, but here they are. So we've got these small block lights, and then we will have a light bar. These are going to be the fog lights. They come with these nice little covers, which I know that any car that I've had that has had fog lights, they just get smoked by rocks within the first couple of weeks. We'll pop that off. We went with the black backing. You can also go with the chrome on here. The nice thing is you got these 4 LEDs. They actually throw light pretty far down the road. A lot of times with LEDs, they're kind of like your high school valedictorian. They're really bright, but not overly useful. You can see these little bars right here. Those can actually be wired into your daytime running lights, and those can actually be run during the day on road. And then these 4 round LED lights, those are for off-road only because they are very bright.
All right, so right here we got the 20-inch dual row CREE LED light bar from Rough Country. This is a cool white version with the DRL, just like those other cube lights that we had shown you before. Just unboxing it, this is what comes in the package. A little bit of styrofoam to keep it centered so it's not bouncing around on the box. But if you notice here, that center line there, that is the actual DRL lights. And then you have baffle options on the 20-inch bar as well from Rough Country. It can either be black or the chrome, just like what was explained in our 2-inch cube section. Right here's the off-road or the on-road cover, just to protect the front screen from sand and rocks and anything that might damage that when you're going down on like a highway trip or whatnot. And then that can easily be removed, thrown in the back of the truck when you're off-road, or you want to run it without the cover to show off that cool DRL's feature. This is the wiring harness, obviously comes with your instructions. Really looking forward to seeing what this will look like on our build here. So always check those guys out over at Rough Country for all your lighting needs. They really have a awesome selection. Anything over, I think 40 inches can come in a curved option as well. This is straight, and this is actually going into an aftermarket bumper that we're doing for a customer. And then also on the covers, the curved light bars, I know we've gotten a couple questions on that. The curved light bars do come with a cover. It's not hard plastic, it's like actually a little bit softer, so it can curve around the light and actually be secured there. So looking forward to showing this off to you. Let's go see what it looks like mounted on the truck.